Breaking news out of Pune, Maharashtra, where a tragic bridge collapse has shocked the region and raised urgent concerns about infrastructure safety. The incident occurred at Kundmala, a popular and spiritually significant area in the Pimpri-Chinchwad region, where a bridge spanning the Indrayani River has collapsed, plunging several vehicles and people into the fast-moving waters below. Local authorities have confirmed that the bridge, which was a critical connector near the pilgrimage town of Dehu, collapsed around 10:30 p.m. on Sunday night, following heavy monsoon rains. Panic and chaos ensued as eyewitnesses watched in horror while parts of the bridge gave way with a thunderous crack. Initial reports suggest that multiple two-wheelers and at least one four-wheeler were on the bridge at the time of the collapse. Rescue operations are currently underway, with teams from the NDRF, SDRF, and local emergency services on site. This disaster comes amid rising concerns over the structural integrity of aging bridges across Maharashtra and brings the Indrayani River into focus, not just as a cultural landmark, but now as the site of a tragic catastrophe. Stay with us as we take you through every angle of this shocking event, the what, the why, and the aftermath. At approximately 10:30 p.m. on June 15, Sunday evening, residents near the Kundmala Ghat area, located in the historic temple town of Dehu in Pune district, heard a loud rumble. Moments later, a section of the Kundmala bridge over the Indrayani River caved in, sending parts of the structure crashing into the swirling waters below. Eyewitnesses reported that the bridge had been trembling under the weight of traffic throughout the day. The area had also witnessed intermittent rainfall, which may have compromised the structural integrity further. The bridge, built over 2 decades ago, was a narrow, two-lane structure regularly used by local commuters, pilgrims, and devotees visiting the sacred Sant Tukaram Maharaj Mandir in Dehu. At the time of the incident, there were multiple vehicles, including scooters and possibly an auto rickshaw, crossing the span. Unconfirmed reports suggest that 3 to 5 people are feared to have fallen into the river. Within minutes, social media was flooded with blurry videos and photos showing broken slabs, hanging iron rods, and the wreckage floating in the river. Local residents immediately rushed to assist and attempted to rescue those stranded or submerged in the debris. Emergency response teams were notified, and Pimpri-Chinchwad Municipal Corporation officials arrived at the scene alongside the Pune Rural Police.